Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coolant for motorcycle that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Motorcycle Modification Kit Engine Water for Dirt Bike by Vintorkey. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $18.95, making it a great pick for riders looking for a minimalist solution to improve cooling efficiency on their dirt bikes. The compact design, measuring 7.08 by 2.16 by 1.77 inches, is perfect for off-road motorcycles, offering enhanced cooling performance during intense rides. Its transparent plastic material ensures durability and resistance to deformation, which is especially useful in rugged outdoor conditions. Installation is straightforward, which is a big plus for DIY enthusiasts. You won't need professional tools or skills to get this overflow container up and running. However, the product is highly specialized for dirt bikes, so it may not be suitable for general motorcycle use. While it's a functional and affordable choice for dirt bike owners, it lacks advanced features like compatibility with multiple engine systems or higher coolant capacity. The main drawback here is its limited application and smaller size, which might not cater to high performance or larger motorcycles. However, if you're a dirt bike rider looking for an inexpensive and reliable cooling solution, this could be a great fit. Just don't expect premium features at this price point. Coming in at rank number 4 is the DNA Motoring 7-inch high-performance electric cooling slim radiator fan. Priced at $21.66, this fan offers great value for riders needing an efficient cooling solution for their motorcycles. The slim design ensures excellent engine bay clearance, making it perfect for those who are also looking to modify their engine setup. It's a versatile product with both push and pull functionality, allowing it to cool multiple systems like the radiator, AC, oil system, and transmission. This fan boasts a maximum rotational speed of 2,250 RPM and an airflow capacity of 1,730 cubic feet per minute, ensuring impressive performance. The lightweight plastic build is durable and allows easy installation via zip ties. However, the fan's noise level of 50 decibels might be a concern for those who prefer quieter operation. While it's not specifically tailored to motorcycles, its universal compatibility with radiators makes it a practical option. The main downside is that it's not a dedicated coolant product, but rather a supplementary cooling fan. It's ideal for riders looking to enhance the overall cooling efficiency of their engine bay, but may not suit those searching for a traditional antifreeze product. Overall, it's a solid pick for performance-oriented riders who value versatility. At rank number 3, we have the CanAm OEM XPS Extended Life Pre-Mixed Coolant from Ski-Doo. This product is specifically designed for BRP cooling systems, making it an excellent choice for owners of CanAm motorcycles or any BRP vehicles. The long-life 5-year formula ensures durability and superior heat transfer, providing consistent cooling performance over extended periods of use. Its pre-mixed solution makes it convenient and ready to use right out of the bottle, eliminating the hassle of measuring and diluting. One of the standout features is its ability to prevent corrosion and inhibit cavitation, ensuring the longevity of engine components. The bright orange color provides easy visibility during inspections, and the product is well regarded for its compatibility with BRP systems. However, it's worth noting that the price is not provided, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, its specialized formulation may limit its use for non-BRP motorcycles. Overall, this coolant is a fantastic choice for riders looking for reliability and system-specific performance. If you own a BRP vehicle and want a coolant you can trust, this is an excellent option. Just double-check compatibility if you're not using it with a BRP system. Ranked at number 2 is the Xerox Extended Life Red Heavy Duty 50/50 Pre-Diluted Antifreeze Coolant. This product is a go-to choice for heavy-duty motorcycles and diesel engines. thanks to its robust formula designed to resist corrosion, scale, and rust. With a guaranteed performance of up to 3 years or 300,000 miles, this coolant offers remarkable durability and reliability, making it perfect for long-distance riders or those who demand high performance from their engines. The pre-mixed solution is convenient and ready to use, saving you time and effort during maintenance. Its compatibility with aluminum and other cooling system metals ensures no harm to gaskets, hoses, or vehicle finishes. The bittering agent added to the formula is a thoughtful touch to prevent accidental ingestion. While the product's price isn't listed, it's a high-value option for those who prioritize performance over cost. The main downside is its heavy-duty nature, which may be overkill for smaller or less demanding motorcycles. However, if you're looking for a coolant that can handle tough conditions and provide excellent protection, Zerex Extended Life is a top-tier choice. It's ideal for riders with diesel engines or those who frequently push their motorcycles to the limit. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Coolant Pressure Tester Kit by Koolant. Priced at $64.99, this premium option is not just a coolant, but a comprehensive testing and refill kit designed for professionals and serious motorcycle enthusiasts. With 30 pieces, including 17 color-coded test caps and 3 test covers, this kit offers universal compatibility across a wide range of motorcycle, car, and truck models. It's perfect for diagnosing leaks and efficiently refilling coolant systems. The durable aluminum hand pump and dual rubber rings ensure air tightness, while the upgraded vacuum refill system offers precision and ease of use. The integrated gauge marked in PSI and bar makes monitoring pressure levels straightforward. This kit is built for versatility, allowing confident diagnosis and maintenance of cooling systems. However, it's worth noting that the kit might be complex for beginners and is best suited for those with mechanical experience. While the upfront cost is higher, the value it provides in terms of durability, functionality, and professional-grade performance is unmatched. If you're looking for the ultimate coolant solution with diagnostic capabilities, the Koolant Coolant Pressure Tester Kit is the best choice. It's ideal for riders who want to stay ahead of maintenance and ensure their cooling systems are in top condition. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.